Okay, so for my video, I am introducing some of the more advanced strategy that is used in Sudoku. In my paper, I talked about some basic strategy, but it is much harder to explain and understand advanced strategy in written word. So this is called the 2/3 rule. And what this rule states is that by the rules of Sudoku, we already know that there can't be any more than one number in a row or a column. So for instance, there's already a 1 in this row, and there's already a 1 in this row, here and here. This means that since this is the only open spot in this region, the 1 has to go there. So there's 1, and that's using the 2/3 rule. However, it can be a little bit more advanced also. For instance, we know that in this row there's a 2, as there's a 2 here and here. But there are 3 open spots and there are no 2s in any of the other boxes below this one. But if we look down a little bit further, we can deduce that there will be a 2 in one of these 3 and we can figure out which. So we can look down into the next region, see that there's a 2 here and a 2 here. That still doesn't really give us anything because we don't know whether there would be one here or here. However, if we look down, we see that this row is already full and that this 2 excludes there from being a 2 in this box, or this box, which means that by default there has to be a 2 in this box. Now, we can also see that now there cannot be a 2 in this column, meaning that of these 2 boxes there has to be one here. So, because of that, there is no 2 here, there's no 2 here, which leaves us for 2 right there. And that's the 2/3 rule. It's basically a more advanced strategy in Sudoku. It's very widely used. It is the strategy that I find myself using most commonly, and it's a very useful tool to have.